Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindled Blessings. I've already added some crimson paint on here, and then we're going to add a little bit of the Paint Pixie cotton candy for the face and some white. I believe this white is Dixie Belle's cotton. We're going to put this all over it, and then we are going to go down the suit here, and then we're going to add it to the bottom. We're going to do a little bit of a fur at the bottom, and we're going to make it kind of look like a belt. So I'm just going to add that fur here a little bit at a time. Y'all, I love doing these wood cutouts. These are my very favorite things to do because you can make these come to life, and it's amazing things you can come up with. This is a hand-drawn one by me, and Mr. Randy cut it out and sanded it. I'm using the color Ink from Waverly on the bottom here, you guys, and we're just going to go inside that little belt buckle. I'm going to grab my gold, and we're going to make that belt buckle gold. This is going to be so precious once it's done. I'm going to go ahead and start on his eyes, and we'll start with black, and we'll start just working all the colors in there. To begin with, I had to go over the eyelashes 3 or 4 times before I could finally get it right. Because if it doesn't look exactly, if it doesn't look exactly the way I want it to look, I go back, paint over it, and start over. That's what I love about paint. You can fix any of your mistakes. We're going to go ahead and fill in those little pupils with black, and then I'm going to add some blue to it. See, I'm messing with the eyes again, y'all. Over and over and over, I mess with them until I get them exactly where I want them. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I don't know what to tell you guys about them because I keep messing with them. But anyway, I found that one was smaller than the other. So I went ahead and fixed it. And now you can see the difference. I fixed that right there already. So we're going to be adding some, I believe I added blue to the eyes. It may be green, like a blue-green color. Anyway, we did that. And then we're going to add the whites to the eyes. This little guy's going to come together pretty quick from here on. Add that white. And then I started messing with his, I want to say his eyebrows. No, not yet. I'm still working with the eyes. Putting those lashes on there. You guys, he's so cute. I love him. Anyway, he is on our website, you guys. He is $23, I believe. And it's rekindledblessings.com if you guys are interested. There are several kits on our website. We did a gingerbread last night. If you guys did not see that, you might want to go back and watch it. Now we're going to do the nose. I add a little red on the nose because the red is like he's cold, you know, because Santa's always out in the wintertime. We're going to put some gray around this mustache, and I'm going to add some black to the mouth with some little red lips. So cute. Absolutely precious. And you guys can see I use a baby wipe a lot, cleaning up some of my mess with the baby wipe. I've just been really shaky today. I don't know what's going on with me, but even my painting is kind of off. But anyway, we'll get it. It just takes a little extra time there. We're putting gray around that mustache just so it distinguishes it between that and the beard. And I'm going to wipe some of that back because I don't want it to be super dark. But we at least want to be able to see that mustache. He is so cute, you guys. I'm just going around his beard with the gray so that it kind of looks like it's outlined. And then I'm going to go in and start doing all the outlines on all the fur and the hat and all the things. I'm doing his eyebrows now. You guys are going to see me doing all the outlines here in just a second. I'm trying to get that fur right on the hat there. And then I'm going to use some bear wax to go in above his hat and below his neck, just to give that it gives it a lot of depth, you guys. It adds a huge bit of depth to this. And once you do that, it just starts making it look like it's popping right off that board there. I hope you guys are enjoying this because I truly enjoy doing these things for you guys. This is a very long reel, and I'm sorry that it is so long, but I wanted you guys to be able to see all the detail. Santa is fabulous. Clean up my buttons there. I was trying to find some buttons for his little outfit. When I say you get the full process here, you get the full process. But it does take a little bit of time to do these, but it is so worth it. You guys can see I'm still messing with that hat. I will get it. Okay, then we're going to do the shoes, which is black, really easy to do. And then I just do a small outline in white to make it look like the bottom, the soles of his shoes. Okay, and then we're going to glue these shoes to our Santa. He's coming together, you guys. Oh my gosh, he's going to be so cute. And we're going to do his little arms off to the side there. And then I'm making some snow, you guys. It is baking soda, Elmer's glue, white paint, and I added a little bit of glitter to it so that it would hopefully sparkle and shimmer. But we're going to use in this, and when you dry it with a dryer, it puffs up and it looks like fur or snow, fake snow. But it's really, really neat. I don't know if you guys can see that puffing up or not, but it's pretty awesome. And we're just going around his fur, on his hat, and his outfit. And then I use the dryer to puff it up. And you guys can see how it puffs up there. It looks like fur on him. Super duper cute. And I'm going to add some, this is called Spectra glitter. I love this stuff, you guys. It reminds me so much of diamond dust. But anyway, there he is, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Share this out if you will.